Hey everyone, this is going to be my second video. We're currently letting the 250R warm up. I just installed this thermostat cap thermometer thing. Also put an hour meter on. Bike's got about 5 hours, so whatever this number climbs to will be plus 5 hours. It's a wireless Pro Taper one. We're going to see if the thermometer gauge starts to climb at all. Hopefully it works. I've heard these things are kind of flaky, so I don't really know. Some people say it leaks a little bit. It's a 1.8 bar compared to a 1.1 bar. So some people are saying I need to upgrade the hoses, probably upgrade the water pump as well for that increased pressure that this cap can hold. Which I will do that soon. Feel the exhaust getting a little warm. Gauge hasn't really moved. I'm running a VP Racing T4 on a stock ECU. Gauge is not moving yet. Exhaust is getting warmer. The bike is warming up, but temp gauge is not moving. I hope I start to see that thing climb a little bit. I haven't ran in about a week since Glamis, so I want to give it some time to warm up. I really like the smell of that VP. Oh yeah, temp gauge is moving. That's cool. Installed it. Usually I'm making no noise through here. It feels so weird. Like a dick making all this noise through here, but you know, first time I've ever done it. It's weird taking such a big bike through here. I'm real good at stalling this thing. Everyone give me shit in the comments for stalling this thing so much. I am so much faster in the Sur Ron through here. This thing is just so stiff. Crazy. This really tight stuff is really where the Sur Ron excels. Like obviously I'm going really slow, painfully slow. Temp gauge is working. Hopefully the hour meter is working. Well, that was my first time dropping my bike. I don't like that. That was really amateur. Definitely got some learning to do on this thing. Dropped my bike earlier. Okay, here's the track I wanted to get to. I am not talented enough to do those jumps yet. How those supercross guys do those lifts like that, I just don't get it. I have nowhere near the skill needed for that. Maybe one day we'll acquire those skills. It's gonna be a while. Hitting all those bumps, I don't know what to do. And I'm just not confident enough to just bump over. I can handle like 2 or 3. arm strength yet to keep carrying myself over. I'm trying to get winded. How much more workout this is in a fucking Sur Ron. Holy shit. Oh, it's intense. Better. I'm already starting to get arm pumped up, so that's great. Whew. I need to get a kick hand to this thing. We're doing good on temp. Of course, I'm barely beat. This bike's like, give me more. Suck. I didn't do my little arm exercises before I left. Should have done that. There we go. A little bit faster. I need a fucking backyard of the track. Oh, it'd be cool. Get some land. Oh man, how does it work out? Holy moly. I dropped her. Sorry, baby. We were doing good on temp. I had been getting this thing so hot at Glamis. I hope I didn't fuck this bike up. Oh. Well, this is fun. It's a little sketchy getting here because I'm having to break the law. I wasn't such a pussy. I hate those jumps. But your boy ain't ready for that. He ain't ready for that yet. I should go and hit that. Oh, I'd have to climb that hill. Loose. I have to tighten those bolts a little bit. Okay, so currently I'm on the chill, I think, or something, ECU Map. So I should try changing that over to something else. Give her a whirl. Let's turn her back on. what aggressive feels like. Actually, before we do that, let's do some arm stretch thingies. Video that doing this helps with arm pump. Something I do not get at all on the Sur Ron. What I get immediately on this bike, which makes sense. This is a lot more machine to hold on to. Should have started with this, but pretty sure that's my Sur Ron track right there. But I'm probably not the only one running 240 Chinko 241s out here on their Sur Ron. Probably is not me, but could be. I was here yesterday. Okay, alright, so we're on the aggressive ECU map, I guess. Another thing I need to get used to is on the Sur Ron, I'm used to my rear brake being where the clutch is and not down here, so I tend to leave my foot a little bowed out. I need to work on bringing that in, sucking my knees in. Neutral. A little better, a little better. This thing is so much fun. Terrifying though. That stiff suspension though definitely helps soak up my screw ups. Yeah. Good at turning this bitch yet. Oh, hard to get an arm pump.